Here we are. I don't know why my brightness went down. I'm already on floor 2. Because, I had to restart the... Oh, flutter. No! Listen! It's the second time! People keep running into me. Running in front of me. Even though I've literally said, hey, I'm going to distract. Don't get in front of me. And the fire alarm is going off. I can't... Okay. Anytime. I'm trying to record. Don't worry, there's not actually a fire. Oh my gosh, it's annoying. Okay. No. Boxing? No. Bad boxing. Bad. Get over here. Come here. Okay, time to go. Woo! Oh no.